Hello and welcome to AI Basics. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can get tokens on Leonardo AI. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. Open any type of browser you have on your PC and go to Leonardo AI. After you do so, sign into your account and you will see this type of interface. You can see the tokens over here on the left hand side just below your profile. Go ahead and click on upgrade and you can see that you can buy tokens. There are some of the modes over here. Some of it are Apprentice, Artisan Unlimited, Maestro Unlimited, and Leonardo for Teams. So you can see the yearly and monthly option. You can just go ahead and tap on it and you can see some of the features. So this one provides you 8,500 fast tokens. This one provides you 25,060, and you can see the team also. So if you want to go for the team one, you can go ahead and click on get started and click on contact us, and you will get the separate payment option for the teams version. Or else you have the versions like Apprentice, Artisan Unlimited, Maestro Unlimited, so you can pay in the yearly or monthly option and then you can get your free tokens, and you can see some of the other options like here as well. So guys, this is how you can get the tokens on Leonardo AI. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.